Hi, right? Welcome to the show.
Hello everyone, today we are going on a adventure. We haven't told the kids where we're going. They know we're going somewhere. We're going to do something exciting and fun, and it's a surprise. We're going to tell them when we get there, but we're actually going to go to visit a friend who has a little like hobby farm, and so they have some ducks and a pony and some pigs for us to see. We are going to go see them right now, and we're going to surprise the kids, so come with us.
Zoe, are you going to see some pigs? Zoe's beelining it for the pigs. She heard pigs and
took off. Come on, Cashmere. It's there. A piggy. We got her a little older, and this guy is that's our female. This is our male. We got him really young, so he spent 3 months in the house. Oh my goodness, he used to live in the house. Very friendly. He lets you pet him. And if you rub behind his ear, let's see if he does it too. Are you going to do it, or are you more excited for food? And there we go. Look at, he's laying down for him. He wants you to rub his belly. Do you want to come pet the pig? See, he's laying down because he loves to be pet. One at a time, touch him. The softest spot is right here behind his ear. Can you tell me, is that softer than his prickly furs?
Yeah.
Yeah? And do you see this right here? This is his big tooth. Yeah, because this is a boy pig, so he has big tusks. Kind of like an elephant.
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you know what the strongest part on a pig's body is? The strongest muscle on his body is his nose. He can do everything with this. He can even open my front door. Yeah. Oh, I think he's ready to eat.
He wants to back up.
That's out. He's pretty nice. You can touch him. This baby is about 2 weeks old, and then it's gonna grow into a really big turkey and change colors. Say hi, turkey. Yeah. Hi, turkey. What's that? Here, do you want me to take your...
she just noticed now, the horse.
Do you see what's behind her? Yeah, Lexi said as soon as she came in.
Horsey!
Yeah.
I love horsey.
Wow.
Wow, that's really big eyes.
Very big eyes, you're right. Nice horse.
Beautiful, eh?
Another Bert. And that's Switch.
Which
Switch.
one's Bert and Switch?
That's Bert. He's our English jumper. And Switch is our Western gamer. He's not as...
And Bert's got 2 different colored eyes, eh? I've never seen that on a
He's
horse.
a change cross. That's why if you look at his white spot, it has the gray outline before it goes into the dark color. Pretty cool, eh? Yeah. You ever seen a duck?
You want to go see Quack
You
Quack?
want to pet a duck?
Say hi to the piggies.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I think
This is Malcolm.
Wait, that's a Quack Quack.
That's a boy duck. I would show you my girl, but she has eggs right now.
Oh.
Do you know how you can tell a boy duck from a girl duck? A boy duck has a very quiet quack. And a girl duck has a very loud quack. Almost like she's yelling at you.
A duck duck, you're right.
Careful, Zoe. Cannot, eh? Oh, cool.
This is Diamond. There you go.
Wow.
Oh, he wants a belly rub, Zoe.
Oh, he's very friendly. Introduced him to people young and...
No, you stay here, okay?
Oh, she sees Diamond.
Oh, you see the other duck? Oh, he came back, eh? Do.
Malcolm used to go to the school every year to meet all the kids.
Oh, so Malcolm used to.
He's kind of used to being around kids. And then with his old age, he can't quite run away as fast anymore.
Yeah, go ahead. Where'd the other guy go? Are you looking for him?
I think he might be outside. Yeah.
Where's he going? You following the duck? Stay. Oh,
Uh-oh.
the duck. Yeah, he's going to the water.
And then we'll get the kids.
Yeah, no, he doesn't want to go in his water pond.
A piggy.
A piggy.
A piggy.
Nice and fluffy.
Oh, he's getting his adult feathers, eh?
Chickens can't fly. They like to flap their wings, but they can't fly.
You want to pet him, Zoe?
And also penguins can fly.
Okay,
Feel
chickens can't
how
fly.
warm he is, his tummy.
They can fly, Mommy.
He's interested too because he's never really seen little
that little.
Bye, Malcolm.
Hey,
All right.
Bye, animals.
Thanks for letting us visit your farm.
oh, you're more than welcome.
Zoe, did you like going to the farm?
I give up.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Bye!